beautiful baby, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to glow your skin naturally with carrots. We're going to make carrot oil. So I'm going to show you the things you're going to need to prepare your carrot oil. You're going to need your olive oil. Yes, you're going to need your vitamin E, and you get your glycerine. So the glycerine softens and protects the body. The vitamin E oil contains aloevera, and it protects the skin and has the help in anti-aging. Yes, when you use it daily, this product will help your skin feel silky and smooth and healthy all over. So let's start. So right now I'm trying to cut off the root of the carrot. Yes, so I have about 4 carrots here with me. It depends on how you're going to use it. You wash them with salty water. So let's begin to use a grater to grind our carrots. Yes. So I just don't want to talk much, just follow the video, whatever I'm doing. And if you have any comment or any question or any suggestion, you can add it in the comment section. I'll be very much grateful. Thank you.